Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise and I hope all are doing good. Today we are making Father's Day themed vanilla cupcakes. In this video, I'll show you how to make soft and spongy vanilla cupcakes with the perfect buttercream frosting. I'm going to bake these cupcakes in two different ways, with and without using oven. I've also included in this video how you can make icing sugar at home and how you can create cupcake toppers for the theme. Let's begin with making cupcakes first. For this recipe we'll need buttermilk. So to 3/4 cup of milk I will add half teaspoon of white vinegar. Keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes and the buttermilk will be ready. Next is sifting the dry ingredients. Here I've taken 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. To this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You can even add 1 tablespoon of milk powder to this. Sift these 2 to 3 times to incorporate air in them. Moving on to the wet ingredients. Into a large mixing bowl add 125 grams of soft unsalted butter. The butter has to be soft, not melting. You can see how the spatula is going through the butter so easily, but still the butter is able to hold the shape. This is how we want it exactly. Blend this for a good 3 to 5 minutes until the butter becomes lighter in color. After 3 minutes, add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar little by little at a time and blend on high speed until the butter and the sugar becomes lighter and creamy. Do not add the sugar all at once. By adding it little by little will help to incorporate a lot of air in them. Clean the sides of the bowl and then add 2 eggs. Add them one by one and blend on medium speed until they are well combined. Here goes the second egg. Blend for 30 seconds. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and then blend again. Our wet ingredients are ready. Add the flour and the buttermilk in batches and blend on medium-low speed until they are just mixed. Do not overmix the batter. Mix them just until all the ingredients are combined. Don't forget to clean the sides of the bowl in between. So the batter is ready. First I'll fill these in the cupcake tray which I'm going to bake in the oven. Line them with the cupcake liner. To fill them all equally in all the molds, I'm using a 1/8 measure cup here. Once done, these will bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Now to bake the cupcakes on gas top, I am using the silicone cupcake molds which I have placed inside my cake tin. Fill them all with the same measure of batter. I am baking these in a broad aluminium vessel which I have preheated on medium-high flame for 15 minutes with 2 cups of salt in it. Place a stand inside so that the tin won't touch the bottom. Place the tin on it carefully and now bake these for 10 minutes on medium flame and 15 minutes on low flame. It took a total of 25 minutes for me. You can check after 20 minutes with a skewer and bake for longer if required. So here are the cupcakes out from the oven. Let this cool down on a wire rack. Our other set is also done. From this batter we can make about 20 medium-sized cupcakes. Moving on to the buttercream frosting, for which we'll need icing sugar. So to make icing sugar, here I've taken 1 cup of powdered sugar. From this 1 cup I'm taking out 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar and replacing it with 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix both the ingredients and icing sugar is ready. For this recipe we'll need 2 cups of icing sugar and it's very important to sieve them at least 2 times before we use. To make buttercream, we'll need 100 grams of soft butter. We can take salted or unsalted ones. Blend the butter for a good 3 to 5 minutes on high speed until it becomes lighter in color and texture. This is an important step, so don't hurry. Blend till you get the right texture. Once the butter looks something like this, add icing sugar little by little at a time and keep blending. If you're liking this recipe, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to press the bell icon next to the subscribe button and press all so that you get notified whenever I come up with new videos. To this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and blend again. If you feel the mixture is looking dry, then add milk little by little at a time, about a teaspoon at a time, and keep blending on high speed. Do not add all the milk in one go, because if the mixture becomes thin, then it's really very difficult to bring it back to the same texture again. The buttercream is ready. I'm going to divide this into 3 and color them. Here I'm using blue gel color. Here I'm planning to do 2 different shades of blue color and the third one to keep it as it is white. To create a darker shade, just put a few more drops of the same color, you'll get a darker shade. Always try to use gel color to color buttercreams. Here I've used icing gel color from the brand Sugarin. Transfer the buttercreams into 3 different piping bags. To pipe the cream, I'm using open star nozzle from Wilton 1M. Put this into a large piping bag. Now I'll show you how you can create the ombre effect on the icing. Cut the tips of the piping bags having the buttercream. Do not cut them too big. They have to fit inside the nozzle, else they'll come out from the sides, so adjust accordingly. Before piping directly onto the cupcakes, you can pipe some on a plate to check how it looks. All these little tips I'm sharing is for the beginners or someone who is frosting a cupcake for the first time. If you're planning to make this recipe without the frosting or the icing, then you might need to add a 1/4 cup more of sugar into the batter. I cut down the quantity of sugar as buttercream will also be sweet. So you can add a 1/4 cup, that is a total of 1 cup of powdered sugar while making the batter. These are done and looking gorgeous. To make it more beautiful, let's sprinkle some silver edible pearls. Our vanilla cupcakes with buttercream frosting is ready. As per our theme, I'm placing some cupcake toppers on them. These are DIY cake toppers. You can make toppers with sugar paste also. I shall share a new tutorial video on that soon. Now let me get one cupcake and cut and show you how it looks from inside. Look at the texture. They are extremely soft and spongy. If you are trying this recipe, then don't forget to share me your experience and the feedback in the comments below. Now here is a DIY on how I made these cupcake toppers. Similarly, you can create for other themes as well. First, you'll have to download a picture you want to draw and then put the brightness of your phone on full. Now place a parchment paper or a butter paper on it and trace the outline with a pencil gently. Be gentle, else you will end up with scratches on your screen. Here for the mustache, I'm using black chart paper. You can use a white carbon paper underneath to trace it. As I don't have it with me, I'm going to simply place the picture on the chart and create an impression on it. I mean, we all have done this many times in school, especially for our science diagrams or to make maps for our social studies. We all have used this technique. Alright, now once you have the impression, outline it again and cut out the picture. By tracing and drawing, you will get all similar size of cutouts for the toppers. Here you can use wooden skewers or toothpicks. You can use glue gun or Fevicol to stick the cutouts on the stick. Here I have used a glue gun, just 2 drops of glue and paste our cutouts on the stick. Press it gently and our cake topper is ready. Hope you all liked and enjoyed the recipe and the DIY shared in this video. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.